Hey folks, I wanted to hop on here and speak a little bit as to why we like Augusta, why I like Augusta. For a lot of people, the first thing that comes to mind when they think of Augusta is the Masters golf tournament, where the guys wear the green jacket and it's awarded to the winner each year. The economic effect of the Masters on Augusta should not be diminished. As each year it does bring in a major influx of investment. Actually, this year they will be holding two within 6 months of each other, so that is sort of a good segue into real estate and why we are loving what we are seeing economically about Augusta. One of the keys to successful real estate investing is to identify markets before they really become front page news. Investors already know about Dallas, Austin, Phoenix, Atlanta, Charlotte, Raleigh. These are all great markets to invest in, but the competition is so fierce that the prices are just too high, and so good investments are hard to find. So finding a market before it becomes popular is a key component to smart investing. So I just returned from a trip to Augusta, and I really liked what I saw and heard. Plus, from everything that we've researched, we believe it will be one of the next markets to gather attention from people, real estate investors all around the country. So here are some of the facts from the market. I'm going to start with Fort Gordon, which is located in Augusta. It's now the Cyber Command Center for the entire U.S. Army. So Cyber Command moves to Augusta in 2020. Which is right now, and it consolidates 8 separate facilities located across the country and will provide a $2.4 billion impact to the region. Fort Gordon also employs 32,000 people, both military and civilian. They are also implementing a major construction and renovation worth another $1.6 billion. Medical is another key contributor to the region. Or to the region's economy, with Doctors Hospital and Augusta University Health. Now, with almost 5,000 people expected to begin filling roles at the U.S. Army Cyber Command, in addition to all the other jobs being added to the area, there will be even more people flowing across the region in the coming years. Now this could and probably will present a housing issue. Cal Ray, the president of the Economic Development Authority, says that the main area that needs addressing in the region is the shortage of workforce housing, which is our market. Shortages of workforce housing is good when you own an apartment building. So there's another positive. Here are a couple more facts. Population in Augusta has increased 10% since 2010, but what is revealing is that it is projected to increase another 6% by 2023. So things are really ramping up in the area. Augusta is ideally situated between Atlanta, Georgia and Columbia, South Carolina on the I-20. Major economic growth often occurs along these interstate highways. You look at what happened along I-35 between Austin and San Antonio, or on I-85 between Atlanta and Charlotte, to recognize the impact on local economies. There's already a major trend happening where people are leaving larger MSAs for smaller cities like Augusta. The reason for this is due to COVID. There's been a trend, I don't know if you've read about it, but a lot of people are leaving the larger MSAs to out either into rural areas or smaller cities like Augusta. So now you couple that with strong job growth, and it is developing a nice recipe for success. Additionally, Forbes magazine ranks Augusta highly on its list for low cost of doing business, so it's attracting a lot of other businesses and foreign businesses. They also ranked Augusta in their 2020 Best Places to Retire list. Augusta offers a cost of living 19% below the national average, a higher number of doctors per capita, good air quality, and a comfortable climate, and a low serious crime rate. So it's attracting a lot of retirees as well. What else? Augusta has a diversified economy. Now this is really important. It's It's always a key factor. Historically, Augusta has been an economy of medicine, manufacturing, and the military. And now adding on to that, the fourth leg of the stool is cyber innovation and technology. Amazon also is currently in construction on a 6,000 square foot facility that will employ 800 workers. You can also include on that list Raytheon, Textron, Starbucks expansion, Tower Cloud, and Unisys. I think I'm saying that right. Historic downtown is being revitalized with retail, dining, shopping, and residential, and has a beautiful riverwalk built along the Savannah River that borders downtown. I walked along that riverwalk. It's really nice. It's really beautiful down there. So, you know, Augusta is on the move with economic growth and an affordable cost of living and a good quality of life. You know, I think a few years from now, people will be saying, I should have invested in Augusta. So I do think this is a real opportunity. This is Rick from Fortress Federation Investments. I encourage you to join the Fortress Federation Investment Club at www.fortressfederation.com. Talk to you guys later.